Market continues to be range-bound with the Nifty hovering around the 10,500 mark. Let's get you some market opinion then. Earlier in the day, we caught up with Sandeep Bhatia of Macquarie as well as Arvind Sanger of Geosphere Capital Management and got their understanding on how they are reading the earnings season and what lies ahead for the immediate future,
From here on till April of next year will be the full-on volatile season. So it is akin to the typhoon season which comes in the US. So we will have a lot of volatility, and please buckle up and belt up for that. I think as far as India is concerned, on the economic side, we see a clear trajectory of earnings growth improving. We also see a clear trajectory of capex coming through and companies like L&T start doing well. We also see the healing of bank balance sheets, which has proceeded over the last 3 years. I would be a buyer in any market correction for all the reasons we just gave out, especially corporate earnings growth and improvement in capex. I wouldn't think that we are in the single-digit frame, because clearly the entire financial sector will show good growth. And I've mentioned this on this channel before. Actually, a fall in rupee boosts earnings power for most corporates, and we will see therefore earnings growth also helped by the correction in rupee. I would think that earnings growth for the broad market would be in the 15% region, and for indices it would be in the 18% region.
I think the markets are in a trading range. Clearly some of the panic of a few weeks ago in terms of the India-specific panic and the emerging markets panic in terms of currencies and what have you, that has subsided. NBFC situation, while a crisis seems to have been avoided, but my meetings with some of the people in NBFC suggest that loan growth is going to dramatically slow down, certainly in this current December quarter. Potentially that slowness will persist through the March quarter, so that will have some fallout effect on the economy. Some of the higher quality NBFCs that have gotten beat up a lot, I think if they pull back some more, they could be very interesting to me. But I think there are some global stocks that we like, which are plays on global trends, not just in the IT space but in other areas. You look at somebody like a Motherson Sumi, which is a high quality company that's been beat up on concerns about trade wars and what might happen to German auto companies and some of their biggest customers.